Whenever you hear the name AI assistant, the first thing that probably comes to your mind are coding, technical setup, hiring a developer, or a lot of difficult tasks. But what if I tell you that you can create an automated AI assistant without even writing a single line of code? Yes, no coding, no need to hire a developer, and no complicated technical setup. I'm not joking. This is exactly what I'm going to build in today's video. Actually, I was also thinking about one simple problem. When a customer keeps asking different questions, replying to each and every customer manually can become a hectic task. And that's when I created this AI assistant using Pabbly Chartflow. As you can already see, it's working completely live. And you know what's even more interesting? That I have trained this AI assistant using my complete business knowledge base. Means the information that I want my AI assistant to know about my business. So whenever customer asks a question, the AI assistant can understand their query, use the business information provided to it, and give them a relevant response automatically. Just for this tutorial, I have taken an example of a broadband connection businesses, but you can easily customize this AI assistant based on your own business. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this automated AI assistant. Alright, so right now I am inside the AI Assistant feature of Pabbly Chartflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chartflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chartflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chartflow, where you have to come in this feature, and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform by the help of which you can create automated WhatsApp AI assistant, chatbots, broadcast campaign, and much more. See, I have already created multiple AI assistants before for my different business use cases. For creating a new assistant, you need to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as AI assistant for AI fiber connection request. After that, I'll click on this add AI assistant button and see. Our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. Here I am selecting the AI agent. As soon as I can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. See, instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your customers. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After like the temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set the temperature to 0.5. After that, you need to select the model provider. From here that I am selecting as OpenAI, and next you need to select the AI model variant. You will find out multiple types of model variant. I am selecting the GPT-4o mini. Moving forward, it will ask you for the API key. For getting this OpenAI key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. After that, click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button, and see the API key is generated successfully. So copy this key from here and paste it in this field. And I want you to know that for generating this OpenAI API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you need to click on this connect button, and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message here. And if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can add stop keywords too. See, stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have added the stop keyword as stop. stop, and the customer will send exact that keyword while communicating to my AI assistant. Then my assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. If something goes wrong, you can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the customer if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customers for the better conversation. Here I have entered this fallback message, but you can change it based on your own company or the organization. Now comes to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you need to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? See, knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant provide business specific and accurate replies to your customers. So as I said in this tutorial, I'm going to create an AI assistant for the air fiber connection or broadband businesses, just only for an example. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. It contains all the information related to your business inside it. I have created this knowledge base file by my choice. You can add your business data inside it. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other applications by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. And the file size should be less than 90 MB. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. After that, I am uploading the knowledge base file from here. So for that, I am clicking on this add new file and uploading the file from my gallery. After uploading it, I am clicking on this upload file button, selecting the same file from here, and see, this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. Means this is how easily you can train your AI assistant with your own business knowledge base. After that, the next one is assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am replacing the heading with AI Fiber Connect, and I'm not changing the subheading. After that, I'm entering the initial message in this field as, "Hi, need help with your AI Fiber connection? I am here to assist you." See, here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label, that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. Next, you can also enter the footer text and the footer link as well. Also the user message too, based on your own business. Now the next section is about the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So that's it. This is how easily you can create an AI powered WhatsApp assistant with few simple steps using Pabbly Chat. And you know that you can also access this AI assistant inside your websites as well. For this, you need to click on this embed option and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code from here and paste it inside your website's code. And this AI assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. So this is how interesting this single tool is. If you like this tool till now and you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase its subscription plan by using my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get a high discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing this setup, you need to go inside the settings of Pabbly Chatbot. After that, go inside this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatbot, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle from here, select the contact list to which you want to set the AI assistant as well as the AI assistant from here, and simply click on the save button. And this is how easily you can assign your AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts list inside Pabbly Chatbot. So for that, you need to go inside the contacts feature and click on this plus add contact button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatbot. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And this is just one example. By following the same steps, you can customize this AI assistant based on your own business. The only thing you need to do is replacing your knowledge base file from here, as well as give the interface to your AI assistant based on your business. And it will work for you 24/7 even when you are unavailable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own businesses too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.